Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello, food lovers. Today, we're diving into the unique and delightful world of Yongchak Eromba, a treasured dish from Manipur. It's a wonderfully pungent and flavorful mash featuring the distinctive Yongchak, also known as stink beans, perfectly blended with fermented fish and other simple ingredients. Despite its exotic sound, making Eromba at home is quite straightforward and incredibly rewarding. Get ready to experience a truly authentic taste of northeastern India. To create this authentic Eromba, you'll need a few key ingredients. First, of course, the star, Yongchak or stink beans. Then, essential fermented fish, called ngari, along with some boiled or roasted potatoes. Don't forget fresh green chilies for a kick, and perhaps a small onion or a handful of fresh coriander leaves for added aroma. These simple components, when combined, create something truly extraordinary. Let's get cooking. The first step is preparing your base ingredients. Boil or roast your potatoes until they are perfectly tender and easy to mash. Simultaneously, gently roast your ngari, the fermented fish, and the green chilies. You can do this over an open flame, on a hot tawa, or even in a small pan, just until they are aromatic and slightly softened. This foundational step is key for developing the deep, rich flavors of your Eromba. Now comes the fun part, mashing and mixing. In a large bowl, start by mashing the roasted ngari and green chilies. Then, add your cooked potatoes, mashing them all together thoroughly until everything is well combined and forms a rustic paste. Finally, slice your Yongchak into small pieces and add them to the mixture, along with any fresh herbs like coriander leaves. Mix everything gently by hand, ensuring all the flavors are beautifully incorporated for a perfect blend. Your delicious Yongchak Eromba is now ready to be enjoyed. This versatile dish is traditionally served warm, often as a side or a flavorful condiment with plain steamed rice. It also makes a fantastic accompaniment to roti or even as a unique spread for crackers. However you choose to enjoy it, this authentic Manipuri delicacy offers a truly unique and memorable culinary experience. Give it a try and savor the distinct taste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.